I didn't see you. What am I doing right now? I'm waiting my video to get rendered while I feel very hungry. And what a hungry gamer who waits for his video to render do? It makes popcorn to fill his tummy and feel happy with something fast and efficient. Come with me to the set so I can show you something very nice. And here we are on the set. I want to introduce you this Mr. Popcorn Popper. Very nice and efficient product from Starlight on very juicy price. Let's see it. I chose white color, but it's also available in a red one. So, ta-da-da! Here is the machine. It's small. It can be placed in every place where it's convenient for you. It's very easy to use also. I will show you how to do it. Here is the cable, you plug it in. And these are the two parts. This is the top of the machine, and this is the top of the top, and also a measuring spoon for how much corn you will put inside. It's basically very basic machine. There's nothing special about it. It's 1500 watt. It does very fast the popcorn in 3 minutes. First it needs to heat up a little bit. You need to wait a little bit to heat up, and after you do the first portion of popcorn, I think it takes up to 100 grams of popcorn seeds. You need to wait a little bit, around 10 minutes, to do one more portion if you're still hungry, because you know when you eat popcorn, one is never enough. Let's turn it on and I will show you. For this purpose I got this, my Mr. Own popcorn seeds. And now let's find a good contact to turn it on. Meanwhile, I will leave the box here. We're putting around 1 spoon in the machine. Of course, I forgot that we need a bowl because the popcorn are coming out from here. They're sliding in. And it's done. Now we remove. Oh, it's a little bit warm, be careful. You put the left out popcorn in the bucket. You let the machine rest a little bit. And you're done. Fresh baked popcorn. Very nice fresh baked popcorn. Everything a gamer can dream of. You can garnish with a little bit butter and salt for cinematic taste. This was Gabby Tech. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for much more content. And don't forget to ring the bell button.